Welcome, dear students. Today, I will talk about the wonders of modern medicine. There are huge new developments in every area of medicine. But we can't tell everyone like this, but we try to help. For example, there are new types of medical operations, new medicines, better health care, and new help for disabled people. Examples of help for disabled people include helping them to live like everyone else, and putting ramps in buildings for people in wheelchairs. So, the big point, and the best disabled people couldn't live normal lives. Whereas, today more and more can and do. I wish more development in the future. Do not lose your trust in God. And thank you.